Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our podcast. I am your host, Jason. I am very happy to see you here today. Today, we will talk about a very important topic: stop wasting evenings. Yes, evenings are very important. Many people waste their evenings without thinking. They spend hours on social media, watching TV, or doing nothing important. And after that, they feel tired, unmotivated, and unhappy. But it does not have to be like this. Evenings can be your best time of the day. You can use this time to relax, learn something new, or prepare for a better tomorrow. In this episode, I will help you understand why evenings are important, how people waste them, and most importantly, how you can use your evenings wisely. I will also give you simple tips and examples that you can start using tonight. So, stay with me, and let's make your evenings more productive and meaningful. Now, let's talk about why evenings are so important. Evenings are the time after your work or school. It is the time to rest, relax, and prepare for the next day. But evenings are not only for rest. They are also a great time to learn, grow, and do things you love. Think about it. You cannot change the morning or afternoon that is already gone. But evenings give you a second chance. You can use this time to study a little, read a book, or practice a skill. Even a small effort in the evening can make a big difference in the long run. Evenings are also important for your health and happiness. If you spend your evenings just scrolling on your phone or watching too much TV, you may feel tired and unmotivated the next day. But if you use your evenings wisely, you will sleep better, feel relaxed, and wake up with more energy. Evenings can also be a quiet time. Most people are done with their work, and there are fewer distractions. You can use this quiet time to think, plan, and focus on your personal goals. So remember, evenings are not just hours to pass time. They are hours to invest in yourself. If you use them smartly, you will see big improvements in your life, health, and happiness. Now, let's talk about something very important: how people waste their evenings. Many people do not realize it, but evenings are often wasted in small ways. Let me give you some examples. First, many people spend too much time on social media. Scrolling on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok can take hours without you even noticing. 1 hour turns into 2, then 3, and suddenly your evening is gone. Second, watching too much TV or YouTube is another common way to waste time. Watching one episode of a show is okay, but when it turns into several hours, it stops being relaxing and starts wasting your valuable evening. Third, some people spend time chatting or texting without purpose. Talking to friends is good, but long random chats can take up your whole evening. Fourth, many people stay up late without doing anything important. They feel tired the next morning, and this affects their whole day. When we waste our evenings, we lose time for learning, planning, and self-improvement. We also feel stressed and tired because we know we did not use our time well. So, it is very important to recognize these habits. Once you know how you waste your evenings, you can start changing them. Now that we know how people waste their evenings, let's talk about the benefits of using evenings wisely. When you use your evenings in a good way, you can see many positive changes in your life. First, you will have more energy and better sleep. If you plan your evening and avoid wasting time on unnecessary things, your body and mind will feel relaxed. This helps you sleep better and wake up feeling fresh the next day. Second, you will have more focus and clarity. Using your evening for small tasks like reading, learning, or planning helps your mind stay sharp. You will feel more confident and ready for tomorrow. Third, evenings give you a chance to learn something new. You can practice English, learn a new skill, read a book, or even write down your ideas. Small efforts every evening add up over time and can lead to big achievements. Fourth, using your evening wisely makes you feel proud and happy. When you know you did something useful, even a small thing, it gives you a sense of accomplishment. This positive feeling can improve your mood and motivation for the next day. So, using your evenings wisely is not just about doing tasks. It is about taking care of your mind and body, improving your skills, and feeling better about yourself. Remember, small changes every evening can make a big difference in your life. Now, let's talk about something very important: how to plan your evening effectively. Planning your evening is simple, but it can make a big difference in your life. First, start by making a small evening plan. You do not need a long list. Just write 3 to 5 things you want to do in your evening. For example, you can write, study English for 20 minutes, read a book for 30 minutes, go for a short walk, prepare for tomorrow. Second, prioritize your tasks. Do the most important things first. For example, if you want to practice English, do it before watching TV. This way, you will finish the important tasks while your mind is fresh. Third, include time for rest and relaxation. Even if you are busy, evenings should not be stressful. You can take 15 to 20 minutes to relax, meditate, or just enjoy a cup of tea. Relaxation is important for your mind and body. Fourth, plan for personal growth. Use your evening to learn something new or practice a skill. It can be reading, writing, or learning a new language. Small steps every evening will help you improve day by day. Finally, keep your plan simple and realistic. Do not try to do too many things. If your plan is too long, you may feel tired or frustrated. A simple plan is easy to follow, and it makes your evening productive and enjoyable. Remember, planning your evening is like setting a small guide for yourself. When you have a plan, you will not waste time, and you will feel proud of what you accomplish. Now, let's talk about some practical tips to stop wasting your evenings. These tips are simple and easy to follow, and they can make a big difference in your life. Tip 1. Turn off unnecessary phone notifications. Many people waste time because their phones keep distracting them. Social media, messages, and app notifications can take your attention away from important tasks. Try to turn off notifications or keep your phone away when you want to focus. Tip 2. Limit social media and TV time. It is okay to watch TV or check social media for a short time, but do not spend hours on them. You can set a time limit, for example, 30 minutes for social media or 1 episode of a TV show. Tip 3. Set a time to go to bed. A regular bedtime helps you sleep better and wake up fresh. Decide a fixed time to go to bed and try to follow it every day. Avoid staying up late doing nothing important. Tip 4. Use small routines. Create short evening routines that include useful tasks. For example, 10 to 15 minutes, reading, 10 minutes, writing 10 minutes light exercise or stretching. Small routines make your evening productive without being hard or stressful. Tip 5. Prepare for the next day. Use a few minutes in the evening to prepare your clothes, work, or study materials for tomorrow. This small step saves time in the morning and reduces stress. When you follow these tips, you will see a big improvement in how you spend your evenings. Even small changes can help you feel more relaxed, productive, and happy. Now, let's see a simple example of a productive evening routine. You can use this as a guide and adjust it to your own life. 6 p.m. Light exercise or walk. Start your evening with some light exercise or a short walk. This helps your body relax and your mind feel fresh. Even 10 to 15 minutes is enough. 6:30 p.m. Dinner. Have a healthy dinner and spend some time with your family. Eating well and talking with loved ones makes you feel good and happy. 7 p.m. Learning or reading. After dinner, spend 20 to 30 minutes learning something new. You can read a book, practice English, or watch a short educational video. Small steps every day lead to big results over time. 8 p.m. Hobby or relaxation. Take some time to do a hobby or relax. It can be drawing, writing, listening to music, or meditating. This helps you enjoy your evening and reduce stress. 9 p.m. Prepare for tomorrow. Use a few minutes to prepare for the next day. Set your clothes, plan your tasks, or write a short to-do list. This makes your morning easy and stress-free. 10 p.m. Sleep. Finally, go to sleep on time. Good sleep is important for energy, focus, and a positive mood the next day. Remember, this is just an example. You can adjust it to your own life, but the idea is to balance learning, relaxation, and preparation. Even a small routine can make your evenings productive and meaningful. Now, let's talk about motivation and mindset. Using your evenings wisely is easy to say, but sometimes it is hard to do. That is why your mindset is very important. Tip 1. Start small. Do not try to change everything at once. Even 10 to 15 minutes of useful activity in the evening is better than nothing. Small steps lead to big results over time. Tip 2. Focus on the benefits. Remember why you want to use your evenings wisely. Better sleep, more energy, learning new skills, and feeling proud are all reasons to stay consistent. Tip 3. Be kind to yourself. If you waste some time in the evening, do not feel bad. Every evening is a new chance. Try again tomorrow and stay positive. Tip 4. Reward yourself. After finishing your planned evening tasks, give yourself a small reward. It can be a short walk, a favorite snack, or listening to music. Rewards help you stay motivated. Remember, the right mindset makes it much easier to follow your evening plan. When you stay positive and consistent, your evenings will become more productive, meaningful, and enjoyable. As we come to the end of today's episode, let's review the key points. Evenings are very important. They are a time to relax, learn, and prepare for tomorrow. Many people waste their evenings without realizing it, but small changes can make a big difference. We talked about some common ways people waste evenings, like spending too much time on social media, watching TV, or staying up late without purpose. We also learned the benefits of using evenings wisely. Better sleep, more energy, improved focus, learning new skills, and feeling proud of yourself. You can plan your evening with a simple checklist, follow practical tips like limiting phone and TV time, and create a small evening routine that works for you. Finally, remember that motivation and mindset are very important. Start small, stay positive, and be consistent. Even small efforts every evening can lead to big improvements in your life. So tonight, try one small change. It could be turning off your phone notifications, reading for 15 minutes, or preparing for tomorrow. Every little step counts. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. I hope you learned some useful tips to stop wasting your evenings and make them more productive and meaningful. Remember, every evening is a new opportunity. Even small changes can lead to big results over time. Start tonight and see the difference for yourself. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. I will be back with more tips to help you improve your life and habits. Until next time, have a wonderful evening and take care of yourself. Goodbye.